T&M Tree Services offer a reliable and very efficient tree lopping and tree maintenance service in Brisbane's Southside. Visit our website https://tndmtreeservices.com.au/. Today you're going to see how quickly and efficiently we removed a very large gum tree from a customer's residential property. T&M tree maintenance services include tree trimming, tree lopping, tree cutting, stump grinding, timber milling, and wood chipping. We work mostly in Brisbane's central and southside suburbs, as well as neighbouring councils such as Redland Bay, Ipswich, Beenleigh and Logan. Call Matt today on 1300 763 058.